How to recover my Zangi account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and then search Zangi Contact. Click on Contact. Then in here, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Name, add your name, your company name, but if it's not available, don't add it. Then add email, and you can add message, need assistance recovering my account, and you can also give other reasonings why you want to recover your account. Then click on send at the bottom after you've clicked on I am not robot. Send it and they will get back to you soon as possible and fix your problem, but there is no direct way to simply recover your account. This is how to recover my Zangi account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.